Wow, I've had this footage since November. Presenting the Obsidian Mist Nike Sport Loop from Apple. Get it before it discontinues next month, as most watch bands, especially Nike Sport Loops, only last seasonally. It's $49 and is available in both sizes, fitting all Apple Watch generations. Today we're taking a well-rounded look, as I've had it for 3 months now, so you see if it works for you, or if you're just an Apple Watch fanatic like me. Give this a like if it helps, and subscribe for more. Let's open it. Definitely a unique color. Gray from a distance. It's actually towards the cool tinted side, almost like a sky blue, but more light. The closer you are, the more you see texture, especially that green weaving. That gives it a subtle character. For those of you new to sport loops, attach it by sliding in both ends with a metal piece on the inside. Put your hand through the loop and pull to your desired fit, then attach the Velcro end. I like how Apple displays it, placing the end of the sport loop to the outside of my wrist. This avoids hitting it during workouts and such. Honestly, when I first got this, I thought it looked so much better in the Apple Store than anywhere else. But the more I wore it, the more I enjoyed all of its details. Here it is on the Series 6 Gold Apple Watch. Although I like silver better, I think it actually works. Because it's such a neutral color, yet unique up close, it's become one of my default sport loops out of all the new ones. I was actually originally concerned that since it was a light color, it would darken over time, but it still hasn't, even though I've worked out in it many times. Here it is now, 3 months later. We still get that light and soft texture with a reflective material for visibility in the dark, and it gives a slight metallic texture. It's called a sport loop, but casual works too. So many colors match it since it's so close to gray. The biggest advantage is bringing out the green in it. Or even the blue undertone. Like gray, choose anything lighter or darker than it for more contrast, whether it's bolder or more earthy. If choosing colors close to it, you could still make it work by having some kind of detail like graphics. Since it's technically solid from afar, you can go all out with that. Enjoy a wide variety of watch faces. I like bringing out the green weaving. Choosing any kind of blue will bring out its cool tint, since it's more towards the gray side. So much matches this. So yeah, because I had the footage, I thought I'd share this. For the watch band fanatics out there, or if you're just buying this last minute, you only have a couple weeks now. I give the Sport Loop a 9 out of 10. I hope this helped. If so, give it a like and subscribe for more. Thanks for your support, and thanks for watching.